The Lean Startup is more than just a book. It's a radical reimagining of entrepreneurship, penned by Silicon Valley entrepreneur Eric Ries. This compelling read shakes up conventional business wisdom and presents a groundbreaking approach to building and growing businesses in the face of uncertainty. At the heart of the Lean Startup are two transformative concepts: the minimum viable product, or MVP, and the build, measure, learn feedback loop. Rather than spending years perfecting a product in a vacuum, Ries recommends launching a basic version of your product swiftly. This approach allows you to gather invaluable feedback, make rapid iterations, and adjust your course based on real-world data. The build, measure, learn feedback loop is another cornerstone of Ries's methodology. This cycle emphasizes the importance of continuous iterations based on customer feedback and data-driven insights. By fostering a culture of experimentation and learning, startups can adapt more efficiently to market changes and enhance their chances of success. So how can you apply the principles of the Lean Startup to your entrepreneurial journey? Begin by pinpointing your riskiest assumptions and designing experiments to test them. Whether it's A/B testing on your website or conducting customer interviews, the objective is to collect actionable insights that guide your product development process. Ries also champions the idea of validated learning. Rather than making decisions based solely on intuition or gut instinct, he urges entrepreneurs to base their decisions on validated data and evidence. This iterative method not only mitigates the risk of failure, but also speeds up the innovation process. In the fast-paced world of business, continuous innovation is key. The Lean Startup provides a roadmap for cultivating a culture of relentless innovation within your organization. Inspire your team to embrace experimentation, fail fast, and learn from their errors. By prioritizing agility and adaptability, you'll be well prepared to navigate uncertainty and outpace the competition. In summary, the Lean Startup offers a revolutionary methodology for entrepreneurs. It encourages the creation of a minimum viable product, continuous iteration based on the build, measure, learn feedback loop, and decision-making based on validated learning. Moreover, it underscores the importance of fostering a culture of continuous innovation. By applying these principles, you can transform the way you approach entrepreneurship and build successful